Good afternoon, children. So we have completed up to exercise 5.4 problem number 7. In the next model, I am going to start with the problem number 9. So 2 3 by 4 plus 4 2 by 3 plus 1. You have two fractions in mixed fraction. So going to convert. How will you convert 2 into 4 plus 3? Next fraction as 4 into 3 plus 2 plus 1. One fraction with numerator and you don't have denominator. If you don't have denominator, it is assumed as you have 1. And now 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 by 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 by 3 plus 1. And now 8 plus 3 is 11, 12 plus 2 is 14 by 3 plus 1. If you look at here, you have different denominators 4 and 3. So have to find the LCM and make the denominator common. If you find the LCM, you are getting LCM as 12. Now to make a 4 as 12, you are going to multiply it by 3. 4 3s are 12. So numerator also multiplying it by 3. Similarly, to make 3 as 4, to make 3 as 12, multiplying it by 4. Numerator also multiplying by 4. And here you have 1. Assume denominator as 1. So if you multiply 1 by 12, you will be getting the denominator as 12. So both numerator and denominator multiplying by 12. Now 11 into 3, 33. 14 into 4, 56. 1 into 12, 12. Adding all the numbers, you are getting 101 divided by 12. And the next problem. Word problem. You have 3 problems. I have selected the second problem. Raj ate 1 by 2 apples while Vicky ate 3 by 4 of an apple. How many apples did they eat? So now number of apples Raj ate is 1 by 2. Number of apples Vicky ate 3 by 4. Total apples we are going to add. One is in mixed fraction, converting it. How will you convert whole number multiplied by the denominator? 1 into 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4. If you look at the denominator 2 and 4, we have two different denominators. Either you can take LCM or cross multiplication. Here I have did cross multiplication. 4 3s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 4 into 2, 8. Adding 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 by 8. Cancelling by 2 table, 9 2s are 18, 4 2s are 8. So your answer is 9 by 4. So total number of apples they ate is 9 by 4. And the next exercise 5.5, find the difference. So in this exercise you have learnt about addition. In this exercise 5.5 you are going to learn about subtraction. Three by 4 minus 1 by 4. You have same denominator, so you can subtract the numerator directly. 3 minus 1, 2 by 4. Problem number 6, 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. If you look at the denominators were different. So first take the LCM. I have found the LCM as 12. Now going to make 6 and 4 as denominator 12. Multiplying 6 into 2, you will be getting 12. So numerator also multiplying by 2. So 10 by 12. To make 4 as 12, multiplying by 3, both numerator and denominator. So 9 by 12. Now 5 by 6 has become 10 by 12. 3 by 4 has become 9 by 12. 10 minus 9 is 1 by 12. Ninth problem, one number is a whole number, another one is in a fraction. Whole number, if you don't have a denominator, considered as 1. So it is 3 by 1 minus 3 by 4. Two different denominators. Taking LCM, 4 is the LCM. To make 1 as 4, multiplying both numerator and denominator by 4. So it is 12 by 4 minus 3 by 4. 12 minus 3, 9 by 4. And the 15th problem, you have two fractions as a mixed fraction. Converting mixed fraction into an improper. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 1, 3. 3, so it is 19 by 8. And 1 into 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 by 4, 8 and 4. Finding the LCM, it is 8. To make 19 by 8 and 5 by 4 as denominator 8. Now already you have 8 as the denominator, 19 by 8. Now it's 5 by 4. You are going to convert it into an 8. When you multiply 4 into 2, you will be getting 8. So both numerator and denominator multiplying by 2. So 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8. Now you got both denominator as same 8. So you can subtract the numerator directly. 9 minus 10 is 9 by 8. The same model you are going to solve the remaining problem. You have 3 word problems. Second word problem, I am going to solve 4 liter of milk in a house on Sunday morning. At night 1 by 4 liter of milk was left. How much milk was used? So we are going to subtract it. Total milk is 4 liter. Leftover milk is 1 by 4 liter. When you subtract from total milk minus leftover milk, you will be getting how much milk is used. 4 minus 1 by 4 mixed fraction. So converting it to an improper fraction. 1 into 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. If you see here, no denominator, it is assumed as 1. Taking LCM, 4 is the LCM. To make 1 as 4, multiplying both numerator and denominator by 4. So 16 by 4 minus 5 by 4. Both got same denominator. So 16 minus 5 is 11 by 4. Now dividing 11 by 4. 4 2s are 8. Your remainder is 3. Quotient is 2. Still 3 not divided by 4. And 2 is a quotient, the whole number you have written here. So 3 by 4 liter of milk was used. And the next exercise is 5.6 multiplication. 1 by 2 multiplied by 50. Here we are going to cancel. 2 table, if you cancel 50, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, carry over 1, 10 5. So 2 table, 25 2s are 50, so 25. 4 table, 16 will come 4 times. So 1 4 is 4, 4 4s are 16. So cancelling 4 and 16, you will be getting 4, 4 3s are 12. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So 4 by 9 into 0 is 0. B problem, 4 by 9 multiplied by rupees 63. Now we are going to cancel 9 and 63 using 9 table. 9 table, 9 sevens are 63. So these were cancelled. 7 is remaining and 4 is remaining. Multiplying 4 and 7, 28. Since it is in terms of rupees, rupees 28. Similarly, 8 by 5 into 50. 50 will come 5 table 10 times. So 8 into 10, it is your 80 paise. 6 by 8 into 48 gram. 8 table, 6 8s are 48. Cancelling numerator, you have 6 into 6. So 6 6 are 36 grams. The next exercise 5.4. It is also cancellation. We are going to cancel and you are going to make the number to the lowest form. 8 3 by 4. Now 4 table, 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, cancelled. 2 into 3 in the numerator, so 6. Fifth problem, 3 by 5 into 5 by 3. Both numerator and denominator having same number 3. So cancelling, it will become 1. 5 table 1 time. So 1 divided by 1 is your 1. Eighth problem, 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. 4 table, sorry, 2 table, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 3, same number cancelled. So remaining number is 1 by 2. And the 10th problem, 4 by 9, 3 by 5, 1 by 8. Now 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, cancelled 4 and 8. So remaining denominator you have 9 into 5 into 2. When you multiply, it is 90. Numerator is 3. Cancelling 3 table, 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9, 0. So 1 by 30 is the answer. And the B problem, same thing. You are going to simplify it. 5 by 8 into 3 by 20. 5 table, 1 5 is 5, 5 4s are 20. So numerator 3, denominator 8 4s are 32. Seventh problem, 1 by 6 into 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. Numerator and denominator 2 table you can cancel. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. No other terms are common. So multiplying 6 into 5 into 2. 6 5s are 30, 30 into 2 60. Numerator 3, 3 by 60. Cancelling 3 table, 1 3 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 0. So 1 by 20. Problem number 10. 24 by 18, 15 by 12, 4 by 5. First cancelling by 5 table, 1 5 is 5, 5 3s are 15. Next, 9 table, 24 by 18, 15 by 12, 4 by 5. 1 5 is 5, 5 3s are 15, 1 4 is 4, 4 3s are 12, then 18 you have, 24 you have. So if you cancel with 3 table, you will be cancelling it 2 times. So the remaining numbers were denominator 3. Here you have 1 4, so it is 4 by 3. So you cancel the common terms and multiply the remaining numbers. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, children. Thank you.